signs. So I'm going to speak about all the zodiac signs and how they are going to do in next 1 year. Let's say next 18 months. So I've made few videos on mundane astrology, but there are still few more points I want to discuss regarding this world, and then I will proceed with the each zodiac sign. I have given remedies for each zodiac sign, but it is for each sign there is a particular remedy. Please do not use remedy I have given for another sign, because though I know what remedy I have given to a particular sign, it will be helpful to them, or at least it won't harm them. But if you will use remedy of another sign just thinking it looks like a great remedy, it may harm you, because it may activate a malefic planet in your 6, 8 and 12. So please do not use without discussing with your astrologer. Okay, so I'm going to read. See, in coming times, some underground mines of metal like gold, copper, etc. may be found. Even finding of oil underground is very much possible in various parts of the world. Okay, and educational institutes in India and in some other parts of the world may start teaching Sanskrit until a senior class as compulsory curriculum in this next 2 years. Also, cost of education may reduce all over the world in coming years, and so higher education will be more affordable and within everyone's reach. Women leaders will come in power, not only in India but in other parts of the world as well. Some world leaders may come in power, and they may be initially belonging to film and communication and media industry. In India, I think I have checked the charts of Mr. Arnab Goswami, Mr. Sonu Sood and Miss Kangana Ranaut, and their chart indicates that they will come in they will come in the world as people of power, even in political field. So the time is coming when people who are karmically inclined, especially in this Saturn and Jupiter transit in Capricorn, such people will become powerful leaders in this world. When it comes to boundaries of countries, they will change in world map. Some countries will shrink and some will expand. India will expand as it may get into war with an enemy country. And this time, the area India will win. It may not return. So the boundaries will change, and some countries will shrink and expand like that. Indians may face curfew-like situation when India will be going through a war. But by 2022 end, all will be okay. Economically also, India will start doing well, and there will be a sense of euphoria. Saturn transit in Capricorn and Rahu transit in Taurus will give new innovations and talents and skills in entertainment field. During 2021, see, in Shravana Nakshatra, when it will be activated by Saturn and Jupiter, and Rahu will be in Taurus, especially in Taurus Rahu, and when it will go through Rohini also, but otherwise also Rahu in Taurus will give new kind of technology and skills to entertainment industry, and especially for India. And this is kind of like special effects or animations, and new superhero may come in the world which will be introduced by India, or even if Disney will introduce, but the superhero could be from India. So Indian superhero basically, like Hanuman is our god also and superhero also. Same way, some new character may be coming in this world as a new superhero, like Spider-Man, Superman. So all this is a possibility, because new developments will happen in animation industry, special effect industry, entertainment, which is part of entertainment industry. So this is going to be there. During 2021, the state of Jammu and Kashmir may go through more heated arguments violence, death and destruction. In Jammu and Kashmir charts, there is Capricorn rising and Mars and Saturn are in 7th house in Cancer and Rahu in 5th house in Taurus and Ketu with Jupiter in 11th house in Scorpio. This chart is according to Sir K.N. Rao ji. The details are 27th October 1947, 1321, Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir, India. Until 2025, this state is going through Mars Mahadasha, and so some turbulence will be there until 2025. But before 2022 end, Kashmiri Pandits will get some justice, and some of them may start going back to their homes in Jammu and Kashmir and start reclaiming their properties. USA will relax its immigration policies and immigrants rules and may become more lenient before 2022 end. Also, taxes may be reduced in many countries including India. Regarding immigration rules in USA becoming more lenient, I spoke about it even before. So I just thought, because so many people are troubled because of their strict rules, so I think the time is coming when they will become more gentle with immigrants, and getting a PR or work permit will become easier. Stock market will crash towards end of 2020 and recovery will be slow, and it may take all of 2021 to recover. Gold prices will drop some more. US dollar will drop too, but we'll see a rise in 2022. Gold may fluctuate in 2021. Crude oil prices will go up in 2021. India's name may change to Bharat again in coming years. India may send a space shuttle to moon with a team with a women leader. Other than this, we may see space agencies getting more success in their space-related research and work. This is universally the time frame for what you sow, so you reap. So all those who have suffered injustice in personal as well as in professional life may achieve some justice, peace and enclosure. Some of us may suddenly get back a skill or talent from another lifetime. Old friends who have parted ways may come back. Old values and culture system, old traditional customs and food habits, and liking for old traditional music like ragas and thumris may also influence us in coming times. Overall, 2021 is going to be remembered for major political upheaval in many countries of our world. There will be a lot of political upheaval. The political parties may go through changes and riots and what they say, marches, like people will talk about politics more, and also our Shri Narendra Modi ji have to be more careful in 2021. Some enemies may try to harm him, so he should be taking more precaution. I'm sure he has good protection, so there is nothing to worry about. It's just that I saw his chart and I just thought that he should be taking more care of himself and don't trust anyone easily. And one more caution for Taurus, Geminis, Librans and Sagittarians. The rising signs and the moon signs, and thirdly their sun signs also, if they are Taurus, Geminis, Librans and Sagittarians. For them, if their sun sign is also Taurus, Gemini, Libra and Sagittarius, first is rising, second is moon, third is sun, they have to be very, very careful in September, October, November and December of 2021. These 4 months they really have to take precaution, and they have to do remedies. I have given remedies for all the signs, so they follow their signs and do the remedies. Now according to rising means your first house sign, your Lagan, your ascendant and your moon sign, in whichever Rashi your moon is. Now according to that, I have written about all zodiac signs, and you please go through your rising, your moon and your sun sign. Sun sign is only 30%. So okay, first is Aries. Okay, Arians may see development on professional front. They will take new decisions and will make new commitments regarding their profession, may change their job or may start a new profession. overseas journeys, pilgrimage, family weddings, or some ceremonies where whole family will be collected is possible. Home related changes or buying, selling of home and home appliances, very much possible. Some e-marketing business may start. Those who are of age where they can get into a relationship may get into a relationship with a person from another cultural system and may meet this person online. Exotic food and culture will influence. Consumption of bad food and alcohol, supari, gutka, pan should be avoided. And cursing and abusing also should be avoided. People who are unwell for some time will get right doctor and treatment and eventually will get okay. Success in court cases as well. People will eventually get success. Migration to foreign lands for work or after marriage is very much possible. Like girls, they may get married overseas and they migrate, or even boys nowadays, the girls from overseas, they go to another country and they get married to a guy and then they bring them to their own country. So that is quite possible. Getting deep occult knowledge or inheritance, past life skill or talent, also very much possible. Some chances of injury and surgery are there, so be careful. There is possibility of defamation due to a hidden secret affair and possibilities of gynae issues and private diseases. Please take precaution. Eyes related issues may bother. Also, a family business may start, which could be of unusual or unconventional nature. Like a textile business, family start a bakery or a wedding organizing company. This is just an example. Speculations and stock market business should be avoided, and games of luck like lottery, betting, gambling should be avoided also. Prayers to Rahu and Ketu and Hanumanji will be good. Offer dhwaja to Hanumanji. Keep root of amla, avla, with you all the time. And also plant amla trees will be good. Offer prayers to Mahakali and Murugan will be good. Feeding peacocks, hens and ducks will be good. Keep Morpunk at home or with you. So this is for Arians. Now Taurus. Total transformation, new modern hairstyle. People who have hair related issues may opt for hair transplant, and this is best time frame for them. Oral dental beautification, even some beauty surgery is possible. Financial ups and downs according to natal chart placement, quite possible. Insurance, taxes, inheritance or dowry related gains or losses. Gains or losses in stock market and also of valuables. Charities and selfless social work will bring relief and gains. Some legal case may come to an end. What the results will be depends on natal chart of an individual. Business studies, stock market study, gold and other metals related studies, and even investing in oil mining or oil related business studies, learning jewelry making, farming or developing business related to real estate is quite possible. All this is a Taurian may do with a sibling, cousin or a friend. Their support will be there and they may re-enter in your life from past. Or if in the past you have had misunderstanding with them, then you will clear the issues and start working towards mutual growth and expansion. Younger siblings may go overseas for higher studies. Falling in love with a person from foreign lands is very much possible. This person could be a doctor, a healer or an IT person. Someone highly spiritual, into mysticism or occult may come in your life. Frictions in existing relationships are also very much possible. Deception in love, unfairness at workplace also quite possible. You may go through digestive issues and stomach related other issues. So overindulgence in exotic food, heavy food, fast food or sour food like pickles should be avoided. Do not give and take pickles and sour food. Do not indulge in online shopping as it may become an addiction. Wasteful expenditure should be avoided. Placing Hanumanji in south will be good, and keep in front of him 3 whole raw turmeric in brass container. Taking shower with a pinch of haldi will be good. Chanting Ram will be best remedy for Taurus and Scorpio. For Gemini rising and moon sign, this is time now for Geminis. For Gemini rising and moon sign, this is time for taking serious decisions regarding your profession. Your family and the livelihood should be analyzed for its betterment. This is really time for karmic debts to be settled. People whom you have given sufferings, work towards forgiveness from them, as otherwise health issues, legal issues, even some hospitalization and jail term is quite possible for those who have natal Mercury, Rahu and Ketu in malefic situation. Loss of job, change of job, quite possible. Oral, dental, throat, feet, lower stomach, genitals and knees related issues are quite possible. Be careful of injuries. Issues with maternal side of family related to inheritance they are quite possible. Buying, selling of a land or property is quite possible. Buying vehicle and investing in gold is also very much possible. Some recovery of money from an old dead investment can take place. For remedies, praying to banyan and people tree will be good. Doing service towards poor and homeless and strays will be good for you. And daan for Jupiter and Saturn will be very helpful. Lord Krishna with Sudarshan Chakra picture placed in exact west and offer prayers to the picture. Always place some sweet and water in front of this picture. Sweet rice and chana offering will be very good for this picture when you will place it in west. Some natural makhan also you can place in west. Now for Cancer rising and moon sign. Cancer rising and moon sign should start focusing on their profession and treat their lover or spouse with utmost love, respect and care. Many upheavals at home with mother or regarding mother, with partner and even on professional front. It could happen. Right side upper body may go through some health issues. Be careful of your speech as you may create conflicts due to the way you communicate. Interference in the life of a spouse or partner should be avoided, as the spouse of Cancerian will have too many issues to deal with and they may require more peace and space. Depression and stress is very much possible for the couple. As a remedy, bring some circular stones from the banks of Ganges river or any other holy river. Place it in your water tank or in bucket and shower with this water. Also placing holy water near your entrance should be good. But if you have south entrance, then please do not place holy water there. Place it near Lord Shiva in east. Place Lord Shiva in east and place this holy water, Ganges water or Yamuna water from Vrindavan, anything, holy water next to Lord Shiva. A lover may come back from past or injury or surgery to lover or child is possible. Cancer rising should not think of conceiving now for next 18 months as they may lose the unborn child. Those who are already expecting may have a child through C-section. Focus on health, healing, food, donation, caregiving, cooking, fitness, water, drinking water, lot of water, planting, farming, watering plants especially will be very good. Mantra chanting and reading of sacred books will do you immense good. Make your spouse donate black dal in a gurudwara on Saturdays and chana dal to a temple on Thursdays for bhandaras. Students must chant Gayatri mantra before starting studies. Inviting friends to your home and feeding them poha or flattened rice to your friends, siblings, cousins, or in case of foreigners, vegetarian rice made with vegetables to your friends and cousins and siblings will make the bond stronger and more supportive. Now for Leo. Leo moon sign and Leo rising. Issues within family or related to family and or health issues of mothers are very much possible. Health issues for Leos are also possible, mostly gut related. Yeah, so it's going to be there. It is a possibility. Misunderstandings with family or arguments with them is quite possible. accident at home is also quite possible. Visiting Dandrua Sarkar in Bhind will be good. Dandrua Sarkar is a Hanumanji temple who is also called Dr. Hanumanji in Bhind in MP. If you can visit there, it will be very good for Leos. Offering rice kheer to Shivling will be good also. If heart or chest related issues, mannat and prayers to Dandrua Sarkar will be good. Change of home or changes in your home, living space, buying and selling home and vehicle, home appliances are very much possible. Profession may suffer as you may experience misunderstandings, unfairness, and letting down through co-workers and bosses. A new job opportunity may come to you. Also, there is a possibility that you may start a new business with your family, for which you may take bank loan. Bank loan for home or something expensive or for business will be good, as it may not create issue for you like health issues or legal conflicts or conflicts at workplace. Daan of black dal, ghee and chana dal for bhandaras will be good too. Placing Lord Shiva family in the east will be good, and offer Lord Shiva and family everyday food which will be cooked at home. Keep whole black dal and raw turmeric in front of Lord Shiva. Do not sleep in west and do not use at all a toilet in west. If you have a toilet in west, do not cook in west. Some people have toilet and next to it there is a kitchen. Both comes in west. So if you have a toilet in west, please do not cook in west. Now for Virgos, time has come for marriage or getting a stability in your love relationship as well as in your professional sector. A sense of peace may prevail whole year, as life may feel like coming on a track after turbulence of last few years. Virgos will become more spiritual in coming 2 years. Change of residence, new romance, chanting mantras and reading shastras, studying occult and researching or interest in hidden and secret of this universe will deepen. Parents will be happier and healthier, and your relationship with them will improve as well. Romancing and traveling with your partner or traveling to meet your partner is quite possible. Buying gold or investing in stock and bonds, having luck in lottery also there. Some friends may return in your life from past. Siblings also will start communicating again after a falling out in the past. If siblings and a close friend going through issues in personal life, they may start coming out of it. You may experience changes in your thought pattern. You may suddenly start getting more interested in communications, media or entertainment industry. Those who already belong to this industry may get a new offer which will be lucrative, and it will get them the name, fame and success they are waiting for. Students will start doing well also. Those who are planning for higher studies in foreign country may get the chance to pursue their dreams. Virgos may go overseas for work also. Placing brass Ma Durga in southwest and brass Nandiji in west will be good. Always place some food in front of them. So now for Libra rising and Libra moon sign. Librans will do well personally as well as professionally. Be careful of what you say and how you communicate. Also be watchful of what food you consume. Buying gold, home, vehicles, renovating home, buying land for farming, interest in organic farming, real estate, all are possibilities. Health can be sensitive. There can be some stress due to some conflicts with your clan, Kul Khandan as we say in Hindi, or extended family, which could be related to inheritance. If you will visit Vrindavan, Lord Radha Krishna temple or Banke Bihari temple and Lord Hanuman temple, which is on a junction, I think, and Lord Hanuman has got the responsibility of protecting Vrindavan. So after visiting Lord Krishna temple, you must go and pray in Lord Hanuman temple. Yeah. Especially if you can go on 10th June 2021 and visit Lord Radha Krishna temple or Banke Bihari temple and offer prayers at 2:20 p.m. and after that prayers to Hanumanji. It will help Librans a lot. and will bring peace, love, peace, and mutual respect in families. And things regarding inheritance will sort out amicably, peacefully. And this is going to solve many other issues as well. Animosities will come to a peaceful end. Health issues will get help also. After prayers to these temples, you must feed poor and strays. Also, reading Panchmukhi Hanumanji Kavach in Hanuman temple will be good that day. Complete prayers with chanting Lord Rama's name few times. Also, offer Jata Wale 4 coconuts here in Hanuman temple. This remedy is for both Virgos and Librans. After your problem sorted out or you get your wish fulfilled, repeat the process another time during Purnima and float 4 coconuts after offering to Hanumanji and Bake Bihariji the same 4 coconuts in the in Yamuna river. You can pray to Ma Yamuna and then only go back home. Librans should not eat bad food like spicy food or heavy and fried food, fast food, and avoid eating non-veg in next 18 months. No consumption of alcohol or drugs. Blisters and oral dental problems, gut-related problems, genitals and rectum-related problems, private diseases are possible during next 18 months. So it will be better if you will have a sattvic lifestyle and you eat sattvic food, organic food, live a simple lifestyle. It will be good for you. In this next 18 months, you may get divine darshan and occult knowledge and mysticism will come to you. Dhyan, sadhana, yoga interest will be there as well. Now for Scorpions. So Scorpio moon sign and Scorpio rising. Scorpions will either become very detached, aloof, pensive, nostalgic, more spiritual, more intuitive, or they may become more angry, eccentric, impulsive, lost. Scorpions should not eat non-veg and consume alcohol or drugs at all in next 18 months as it will harm them. Dhyan, sadhana, prayers, dance, service to disabled, poor and strays will help. Providing for education of poor and will help their children, Scorpions children. If they will provide education for poor kids, it will help their children and as well as their love interests. Prayers to Shiva as a Shivling will be good in next 18 months. Visiting a Jyotirlinga like Badrinath, Kedarnath, or all 12 Jyotirlingas during next 2 years will be very good for them. This is especially time frame when universe will support these pilgrimages and their darshan and this divine darshan for them. Scorpions will become very nostalgic about their past, their childhood, people they loved in childhood. People they loved means even the family, like Dadi, Nani, Taya, Chacha, Chachi, Tai, all these people. Their ancestors, cousins, siblings, long lost friends, all will matter. Old memories and separations will bring tears in their eyes. It may be happening already since last few months. Visiting old places where once they have lived in the past. Old temples where once they did prayers, like in childhood probably. Old memories, past life memories and skills and talents from past life. Scorpions may acquire back. Doing prayers for ancestors, Pindadan in pilgrimages will bring blessings and forgiveness from ancestors during this time frame for everyone, but especially for Scorpio dominant people. So like Pitradosh Puja during this time, Pindadan, visiting pilgrimage especially for your ancestors and praying to them and asking for their forgiveness is going to be very beneficial for everyone, but especially for Scorpions. And even if they don't know about it, actually it may just happen unknowingly also, that they may decide to visit a pilgrimage like Gayaji or Kashi, and offer prayers to their ancestors. Other than this, reason for this nostalgia could also be due to unfairness or deception from current friends, spouse, love interests, co-workers and bosses. Scorpions will become very doubtful of everyone and due to this may experience stress and fear. Basically for Scorpions, Cancerians and Pisceans, it's time for a spiritual evolution and so they will be separated. Scorpios will be going inwards during these 18 months, analyzing their life and their rights and wrongs, and even will make an effort to correct and undo their wrongdoings. Past life regression and past life astrological readings will be good for them during next 18 months, as they may get messages from higher dimension and also from their ancestors. But this will be for those who are on a spiritual path, as focus will be on liberation and mysticism. Non-spiritual Scorpions will be just quarrelsome and angry. Giving a picture of Lord Krishna with Sudarshan Chakra to their siblings will be good. Scorpions should give their siblings a picture of Lord Krishna with Sudarshan Chakra. Wearing gold or turmeric dipped thread will be good. Cotton thread dipped in turmeric, they should wear it if they can't wear gold. Feeding eagles and crows will be good. Drinking saffron mixed milk, and also not only drinking this milk but also offering shivling raw milk mixed with saffron will be good for them. Avoid wearing grey and red. Wearing yellow and saffron will be good. Tika of haldi or saffron on forehead or chest will be good. Go to Hanuman Mandir on every Tuesday and offer raw turmeric there. Bathe with water mixed with a pinch of this haldi, which is offered to Lord Hanumanji. Chanting Ram will be most beneficial in next 2 years. Now Sagittarius, rising and moon sign. Sagittarians will breathe a sigh of relief. Path of Sagittarians is same as the Scorpions. They will be spiritually inclined and may also be guiding and preaching others towards spiritual practices and towards dhyan, sadhana, tyag, service, donation, patience, pilgrimage. Evolved Sagittarians will focus more on spiritual practices. The rift or conflict of some kind with family will make them go back to families and sort it out for once and all. Health issues may bother them. This is the time frame when some evolved gurus, sages, guides, and even common people who are doing good for this world and who are of age to leave this world will leave, as they will be mokshmari. Also, evolved spiritual and righteous souls may born in this physical world in next 18 months. Time has come when some great souls will reincarnate to bring justice and kindness in this world. This is for advanced evolved Sagittarians. This time frame is for advanced evolved Sagittarians. But those who are not yet on this path and are stuck in normal day-to-day life may face some health issues. Visit to hospital is quite possible. Rift with family for inheritance and legal conflict is also quite possible. Drive carefully as chances of injury and surgery are there. All these problems will eventually take them towards guides, spiritual gurus, service and charity. And due to this, you may get evolved or may come on right track in next 18 months. Those who have old moms and they are not keeping well may leave for heavenly abode, and they will go to a higher dimension as they are kind and very religiously inclined souls. Divinely chosen time for them to leave this world. If you are trying to sell your property for some time, may get sold now. Going to pilgrimage and a spiritual retreat is very much possible. If someone wants to start a business which is holistic in nature, it will finally happen now. Oral dental issues may bother Sagittarians. Do not tell lies, as it will harm you. If you make a promise or even commit yourself to something, fulfill it. As they say, pran jaye par vachan na jaye. New developments and opportunities on professional front will be there. Endings of some legal conflict or conflicts and disagreements in general. Visiting temple of Harihara in Bangalore also will help. Place in northeast, Lord Rama sitting on throne with Ma Sita, and in west, Lord Krishna Bal Rupa standing on the head of Nag Kalya, and offer regular prayers and prasadam to them. Now for Capricornians. Capricorns are going through difficult times as they are going through a time frame of Sadesati from Lagan. They may invest their money, and also if their moon is in Capricorn, so that is also Capricorn or Aquarius, then Sadesati also for them. They may invest their money in stock or schemes, which may eventually bring them losses. They should be careful of how they communicate with others. Students who want to get into studies of filmmaking, producing, directing may decide to learn and work in the line of, animation or special effect. Asian countries will work towards advancing in VFX technology or special effects. This is for entertainment filmmaking industry. Special effects, which I think are of 9 types, mainly 9 types of special effects, and animation is one of them. So we will see more advanced technology and computer technology, students learning and working in this line. Both Capricorns and Taurus dominant charts will do well in this line of work. Capricorns may feel kind of anxiety and unhappiness, and misunderstandings with friends, siblings will also bother them. Going to Triveni Sangam in Allahabad and bathing in that water and also donating gold to the Pandit there will bring you relief from past traumas. Also keep a bottle of Sangam water in your vest and place a picture of Lord Buddha there. Visiting Harihara temple in Bangalore will help you too. Chances of falling in love and also experiencing deception in love is quite possible. People who are planning to have children in near future may succeed in conceiving through medical help. Capricorns who are going to deliver babies in 2021 and until March of 2022, please make sure to check with doctor frequently, as some of you may hear that baby is having cord around neck. So take a quick decision in that case. Opt for C-section and opt for C-section. Also, chances of premature birth is there. Chances of getting engaged conventionally and getting married also there, but this relationship may not work out eventually. So it is best for Capricorns to avoid affair, engagement and marriage in 2021. Stock and speculation related investments should be done carefully, as eventually you may end up losing your money. Visiting Kashi Vishwanath temple will be very, very beneficial for Capricorns. Be more careful when traveling long distance or short distance. Careful while communicating with your siblings. Issue with younger sibling or issues in the life of younger sibling is very much possible. Feeding fishes will be good. Praying to Makar Dhwaja will be very, very helpful. If you can have a picture of Hanuman and Makar Dhwaja together in the south of your home, it will relieve you of many issues in life. Praying to Ram while sitting in front of Hanumanji and Makar Dhwaja in south will be very good for you. Praying to Ashoka tree will be good also. In a white cloth, Shankh Pushpi Har you keep with you. Work related changes and wrong decisions are quite possible. Be careful. Do not change your job in 2021. After 2022 March, only you can change your job. It will be better for you. Now for Aquarius, rising and moon sign. Aquarians who are planning to quit their job and are planning to shift to a new location or to another country is very much possible. But migration until 2021 end will be tough, as you may go through several problems, but all will be okay from November of 2021 onwards. Health issues of mother and yourself and legal conflicts with family may bother you. Oral, dental issues and surgeries are quite possible. Job in a multinational or in a large organization or in IT industry, banking is possible. Regarding students, medical studies, fashion, hospitality, luxury related studies, media and communication studies, food related business and studies are quite possible. Studies for holistic healing like Reiki, pranic healing, Ayurveda and occult studies also very good for you. Buying a new luxury vehicle, luxury items for home, buying a home with modern fittings and fixtures, all are possibilities for you. chances of marriage arising from end of 2021, but getting engaged or getting into a live-in relationship is very much possible in 2021 or from end of 2020, from November December of 2020 until 2021 end. You may get into a relationship, but towards 2021 and onwards, the chances of marriage to that same person are there. Traveling to foreign countries or to pilgrimages, holidaying in spiritual retreats is also possible. Be careful of your knees and below knees, as injury surgery to these parts is quite possible. Offering prayers to people and Bad ka ped. Bad ka ped is, I think, called Bodhi tree or Banyan tree. People tree, I forgot what it is called in English. But prayers to these two trees will be good. Prayers to Lord Vishnu and keeping a marigold flower with you at all times will be good. You can grow marigold, means gende ka phool, in a pot in your home and in the northeast of your home, and offer Lord Vishnu a marigold flower every day, and that one flower you put with you at all times. Place a picture of Jhulelal ji in west and praying and offering prasadam there will be good. Praying to Lord Shiva as Lord Agneswarar with gingerly or sesame oil lamp on Saturdays will be good. Lord Agneswarar temple is located in Naladai in Tamil Nadu. If possible, visit this temple. Keep some seashells in a brass bowl in west, and it will open up boundaries for you and will bring new opportunities for you from foreign lands. Indulge in sports with your buddies, mind games like chess, or physical sports like boxing, gymming, running. Mind games, even carom, even a snake ladder, if not chess, any kind of, indoor games or physical games, sports. You should indulge with your cousins, with your siblings, with your friends. It will be good for you. And you will be having gains through these people, your siblings, your cousins, your friends. So try to do it and have a good relationship, good camaraderie with them. Avoid non-veg food, alcohol, and other such things like pan, supari, gutka, etc. So now Pisces rising and Pisces moon sign. Pisceans may become friends with people who will influence them to become spiritual and indulge in spiritual practices. Marriage and love relationship may suffer, and partners may get detached from each other. Pisceans may decide to get into a profession of health and healing, which could also be about holistic healing. It will be good if both partners together get into spiritual practices like yoga, sadhana, and also into profession of health and healing. And this may happen also. Naturally, it may happen unknowingly also. Younger sibling may go overseas. Younger sibling should be careful in last 4 months of 2021. During this time frame, people who are single may meet people online or through their work, and they may have lot of online communication with them. This person whom you will meet, who will become eventually your partner, your lover, this person could be from another culture and from IT or health and healing related industry. Plans for traveling to foreign lands, working in foreign lands, and preparations regarding these things will start now. However, actually going to foreign lands may happen towards end of 2021 and in 2022. Father's health may suffer, or you may have differences with him, or he may face some issues in his life. There can be changes or break regarding education for students, like you may change your line of studies, or there can be you take a break from your studies. Something like this can happen. Pisceans students will also get into lot of dhyan, sadhana, mantra, chanting, and other spiritual practices. Some may even start learning Sanskrit to understand Shastras as they are originally written. You may buy a piece of land in next 1 year. A serious love affair may come to an end. Chances of miscarriage also there. Prayers to Shiva only can help. In the east, Prayers to Shiva only can help. Place in the east Lord Shiva and a silver container with Ganges water. Minimum a liter of water will be good. Pressing legs and feet of your lover, spouse, partner will help you. Wear white and light blue mostly. Offer prayers to mango tree and mango fruit you should offer to Lord Shiva. Feeding pigeons and peacock will be good. Keep peacock feather with Lord Shiva. Plant trees. Pray to Lord Vishnu as Lord Ananta. Lord Ananta is the one who is in the sea sitting on lying down on Sheshnag, and Ma Lakshmi is pressing his legs. This is the best picture for you. If you want to pray, if you pray to him in the west, keeping his picture, it will give you immense happiness and peace and success. Place a picture of Lord Balramji with Lord Krishna in the east of your home. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. All the best for 2021 and 2022. Take care.